Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of QCY MeloBuds Pro. So as you can see right here, we already can see some info on the box, and maybe let's read it because it's actually quite interesting. First of all, it says we have the high-res audio, and of course they are wireless, as you can see. They support LDAC codec for better quality of wireless sound streaming. Also, there's a QQ Music audio. Probably it's some sort of a Chinese word. I'm not really sure about that, but also we have that. But also it supports 36 decibels adaptive ANC, which is great. We all love ANC. We also love the 6 mic ENC for call. So we not only have ANC in our earbuds, so we don't hear our environment, but also if we're calling someone, it just cuts out all the noise and they can only hear our voice. Then there's space surround sound effects, which is also really great, and we're gonna discover it in different videos on the channel. So maybe let's get ready and just unpack it. I'm gonna take my knife and let's cut all the tapes here. Not the tapes, the foil. Okay. And now we can take them out of the box. Okay, and what we can see here, of course, the earbuds. I'm gonna get to them in a moment, but let's see what else do we get in the box. So there's this box with the cable and probably some ear tips for better fit. So let's maybe open it. I wonder how to open it. Okay, we can open it from here, for example. And yes, we get, of course, the cable. It's a short cable. I presume it's like 20 centimeters, which is like, I don't know, probably something around 7 inches. Or even like 15 centimeters, maybe. But I think it's just enough for your earbuds, right? It's USB-A to USB-C, so if you have a brick like that, then you can use the cable with it. Then we have the tips as well. So I'm also gonna cut them because they require me to do that on this box. Okay. And now let's see. We have 4 tips, which means that we have 3 pairs in total. There are the big ones, the small ones, and I believe that the medium ones are already on. Now in the box we also get some manual. Okay, and that will be about in the box. So let's get to the headphones, as I said earlier. Okay, let's open this. And now, as you can see, they are in this like sort of space finish. I don't know, it's just dark gray with some sort of metallic finish, so I'd call it space gray. And we have the earbuds in. Let's take them out. There's some foils on them, so I'm gonna take those foils off. Okay, it indicates that there is a touch panel because there's some sort of fingerprint icon right here. So yeah, that's worth noting. Also, you can see the charging case is quite great because a charging case, you know, it it's easy to take them out and put them in. So I really appreciate that, because often, you know, there are some headphones that are pretty difficult to take out of the box. So yeah, we can see them right here. And now they are charging. They have started charging since I removed the tapes that were covering some pogo pins. And yeah, they will get charged in a moment. Now, I wonder if you can see on the box how big the battery is. I don't really see any information about the battery size itself, but it has the charging time is 2 hours, standby time is 45 hours, and music time is approximately 8.5, which is a really great result. I think my AirPods don't hold 8.5, so that's really great. And yes, the tips are on. So this is the unboxing. If you haven't bought these headphones yet and you're planning on buying it, then when you get them, feel free to check out other videos on the channel about using those headphones if you have any problems, or if you want to learn more, like some tricks with the headphones, some interesting features that you may not know. There are gonna be plenty of videos on the channel, and if you already have these headphones, then you can check those videos out now. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.